In the screen, you look here.
Yes, sir.
So look the table. In the first one, name of plane figure, and here shape of plane figure is there. Figure is there, and here in this, okay, I am showing by the cursor. In this place, name of plane figure. What's the name of this plane figure? Can you see?
Parallelogram.
Yeah, parallelogram. You look here, opposite sides parallel. You look here, this side is parallel to this side is parallel to this. Opposite sides are parallel. And this, you look here, this is drawn dot line that is perpendicular, drawn from a vertex to the opposite side. That is height. We say height. That perpendicular drawn from a vertex to the opposite side is called height. You get me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you look here, this is base. This is base. Don't you say breadth? This is breadth. Base means where the perpendicular is drawn, on which perpendicular is drawn from the opposite vertex. So that is base. You know formula. What's the formula to find the area of parallelogram? Remembering? Tell me. What's the formula to find the area of parallelogram? Area equal to what? Remember? Remember everyone? What's the formula to find the area of
Sir, breathe into
parallelogram? B into
H.
H. Area of parallelogram equal to B into H. B means here base. Area of parallelogram equal to base into height. Don't forget. Here base is given. If base is given, height you can find the. Don't forget. Okay. Here in the book it is given randomly, but here all the formula collectively I have given. So it will be easy for you. For that purpose, I have given collectively in level. So try to remember in the tabular form. Okay. Now look what you said. Name of that plane figure is parallelogram. Okay, let's see. Yeah, parallelogram. And the formula, let's see the formula. Okay. Area equal to base into height. So A equal to B into H. In short form, we write A equal to B into H. A means area to height. Okay, next one. Next, you look here, 2 number. What's this? What's this? Tell me.
Scale and triangle.
Yeah.
Scale and triangle.
Yeah, scale and triangle. Yeah, right. Just say triangle. Triangle, you look here, this side, you look here, base. And here also height. Height. On the base, perpendicular is drawn from this vertex. So it is height. If it is not perpendicular, it is not height. Don't forget. To be height, it must be perpendicular. If it is not perpendicular, if it is not meeting 90 degree, the another line is not height. Remember? So already you know how to calculate the area of triangle. You are familiar about the area of triangle. Tell me, what's the area of triangle formula?
1 by 2 B into H.
Yeah, just we have to say half B into H. Half B into H. Yeah, you are right. 1 by 2 B into H. Here B means what? Base. H means what?
Base.
Height. Okay.
Height.
Let's see here. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Here name of plane figure. It should be here triangle. Just I have written here area of triangle. Just it should be here triangle. Only triangle. Here 2 words more here. Just triangle. Only triangle. And its area. You look here. Area equal to half base into height. So just we can write A equal to half BH. BH means it is in the form of, you look here, product form. Here into. Here is into, but not necessary to write here. Not compulsory it means. Okay. Now 3 number. What's the figure is this? What figure is this? 3 number.
Equilateral triangle.
Yeah, equilateral triangle. You look in your book also, it is given equilateral. Okay, 58. It is given in 3 number. You look here, equilateral triangle. All are equal here. Equilateral triangle means this A, and this. It is divided. This part divided into 2 equal parts. So A by 2 by 2. It means half of A. It means half of A means A by 2. We write A by 2. So this is equilateral triangle. It is very okay important for you. Okay, this is new thing. You so I'm saying you important. Then other also important, but it's important than other because this is new thing for you. So you have to do the problem concerned to equilateral triangle more and more to remember the formula. Okay, anyone, can you tell me the formula?
Root 3 by 4 A square.
Yeah, it is given in your book also. How it comes, you look there. Okay, you look, equilateral triangle is, okay, area equal to half base into height. Here, A equal to, okay, half base into height, but by multiplying, you will get here half. Actually, base equal to, you will get base equal to, okay, here you will get root 3 by 2a. So by multiplying, we'll get in the denominator, we'll get 4. So by multiplying, okay. So look how it comes, its formula. Once you look in your book also. Next one, tell me the number 4. What this? Number 4?
Rectangle.
Rectangle, yeah, rectangle.
Rectangle.
Absolutely correct. Rectangle, you look here. One of them, and it looks here opposite sides are, you look here, equal, parallel and equal. If one of the angle is, you look here, if one of the angle is in a quadrilateral 90 degree and opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal also. So you look here, this is L, longer side is L and this is shorter side is breadth, not your base. This shorter side, B is base. In this case, is base. So formula to find the area. Okay, it's not new for you, it's very easy. Area equal to
LED.
Okay, let's see now. Next number 5th. Okay, 5th. What figure is this?
Square.
Yeah, square whose all the sides are equal. Here I forgot to give the notation here. Here actually here should be given the notation here for all sides equal. Anyway, it looks like a square. So your guess is correct. And here, if only one side of the square is given, then we can find out the area.
L square.
All the sides not necessary to. If only one side is given, then we can find out the area of square. So tell me, what's the area of square?
L square.
You know, L square. So let's see here. Okay, let's see here. I want to show here. Okay. Okay. Okay, square. Here is area. Okay, area equal to length into breadth. Here, A equal to L into L because L into L. Why? Length is length, breadth also here equal length. So in place of breadth also we can write L. Yeah. So finally we get A equal to L square.
Yes, sir.
L into L equal to L square. So next, okay, tell me next figure. What figure is this? 6 number.
Rhombus.
Trapped.
Yeah, tell me 6 number. No.
Rhombus.
You look here, yeah, all the sides are equal. You look here, and diagonals here. one diagonal is D1, another diagonal is D2. If diagonals are given, we can find out the area of this plane figure. This plane figure is what? What is it?
Rhombus.
Yeah, rhombus. Rhombus. What's the difference between rhombus and square? All the sides are equal. In
But all sides are, all angles are not 90 degree in rhombus.
correct. Yeah, absolutely correct. In the case of rhombus, none of the angles equal to 90 degree. But in the case of square, all the angles equal to 90 degree. Okay.
Sir.
So yes, sir. Let's see. To find its area, what formula we use? Let's see here. Okay, rhombus, and its formula, you look here, area equal to half product of diagonals. If diagonals are given, we can find out its area. One half product of diagonals. One is D1, another one is D2. If the diagonals are given, we can find out the area. So, area of rhombus equal to half the product of diagonals. So, half D1 into D2. Okay, next figure, number 7. Tell me, number 7, what figure is this? Number 7. Number 7.
Trapezium. Trapezium or trapezoid?
No, upper one. Tell me. Two figures.
Sir, rhombus. Rhombus.
No. Rhombus already we discussed. Below rhombus.
Quadrilateral.
Kite.
Yeah,
Quadrilateral.
right. It's kite. Kite. Okay. Here little bit here notation is missing. Anyway, you look here, this side is equal to this side is this side. Okay. You look here. Two pair of adjacent sides are equal, you look here. This side is equal with this side and this side is equal to this side. Hey, look. So in this case, how to find the area of kite? Look here. Okay, formula, kite, this is kite. And its formula, same as area of rhombus. Area of rhombus. So area equal to product of diagonal, A equal to half D1 into D2. This D1 diagonal, one diagonal, and this is another diagonal. Here, to close the bracket here, missing the, not necessary here, just half D1 into D2 only also we can write, or we can insert by the bracket. We can close by the bracket also. Okay. Next, below this.
Trapezium or trapezoid?
Trapezium.
Yeah, right. Trapezium. So let's see here, trapezium. And its formula to find the area of trapezium, you look here. Area equal to half sum of parallel sides into height. Here, parallel sides, B1 and B2 are parallel sides, you look here. A quadrilateral in which one and only one pair of opposite sides are parallel, that is trapezium. In trapezium, you look here from this vertex, height is drawn to the opposite side. It is height. You look here, perpendicular is drawn, that is height. Perpendicular is drawn from a vertex to, that is height. So, if height given and length of the parallel sides given, then we can find out the area. Area equal to, here in place of age, writing age, I am taking in the front. Into here, sum of parallel sides means B1 plus B2. You look here, B1 and B2. If parallel sides given and height given, then we can find out the area. Now, let's see another one, number 8. Sorry, number 9. Number 9 here, number 9 is missing. Where gone here?
Quadrilateral.
Displaced. Okay, what's this?
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral, we can find out look, in different way. Actually, area quadrilateral means area of here two triangles. Here you can see two triangles clearly. This upper
Yes,
one
sir.
and this lower one, two triangles. If you
Sir,
can find out
then-
the area, if you
then
can find out the area of two
two base
triangles.
into height.
Wait. Not that. If you can find out the area of this upper triangle and area of lower triangle and add them, you'll get the area of quadrilateral. Like this you can find. And another one. At the same time, area of whole figure, whole you can find. Without finding separately. At a time you can find. For that we are discussing here. For that I am going to give the formula here. Okay, number 9 here. Okay, we will get number 9. Okay, number 9 quadrilateral. You look here. It's quadrilateral. It's okay. Formula you look here. Formula equal to area equal to
Yes.
half diagonal into sum of perpendicular. You look at perpendiculars here. P1 means first perpendicular and P2 means second perpendicular. Perpendicular must be 90 degree. Don't forget. If it is not 90 degree, it cannot be perpendicular. So from this vertex to this line, or you can say diagonal, on the diagonal perpendicular is drawn. And from the perpendicular is drawn. Okay, and this is diagonal. D means diagonal. This you look here, diagonal. So if the diagonal and perpendiculars are given like this, we can find out the area of quadrilateral.
So P means perpendicular there and D means diagonal.
Yeah. You look, perpendicular. P1 means first perpendicular. This is second perpendicular. And in place of
Sir.
P2 you can write, and in place of P1 you can write P2 also. Interchanging the perpendiculars, it doesn't make difference in the result.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? In the result.
Yes,
you
sir.
get-
दुईटा
Okay. So
सर दुईटा ट्रायंगल भयो त 1/2 बेस इन्टु हाइट गर्दा हुँदैन?
no, it's not. Only triangle. Quadrilateral means what? मैले अघि नै भने नि
Sum of-
खोइ मैले अघि नै भनेको खोइ सम्झेको खोइ अर्को वे के छ यो दुईटा ट्रायंगलको एरिया सेपरेटली निकालेर एड गर्दाखेरि क्वाड्रिलेटरलको एरिया आउँछ यदि
हो सर।
सेपरेटली त्यसरी गर्ने हो भने यो माथिल्लो ट्रायंगलको एरिया निकाल्नको लागि हाफ बी इन्टु एच गर्ने अनि यो हाफ बी इन्टु एच गर्ने ओके अनि
अनि add-
एड
अनि add
गर्ने हो
गर्ने?
भने एड गर्ने हो भने यु विल गेट द एरिया अफ होल फिगर यहाँ होल फिगर भनेको के हो गर्नु र यो डाइरेक्टली यो फर्मुला युज गरेर गर्नु नो डिफरेन्स इन द आन्सर यु विल गेट द सेम आन्सर ले यदि सेप निकालेर लामो हुन्छ इट विल बी लिटल बिट लङ्गर बट इफ यु डु युजिङ दिस फर्मुला इट बिकम्स सर्टर लिटल बिट सर्टर ओके यु हेभ अप्सन हामीले जानियो भनेदेखि यु हेभ अप्सन विच वान यु want to use. Okay, next, let's see another heron. Let's see another one. Okay, another one. Okay. Let's see another one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, examples. Find the area of the given geometrical shapes भनेको छ. It is from book. You open in your book, you will find this in page, okay, 62 and 63. Book's figure. It will be helpful to you. So I am choosing the problems from book. You look in one number, this find the area of given geometrical shapes. Number 1, it is clear. What figure is this? You know? What figure is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. And second figure, what figure is this? Second figure?
Quadrilateral.
Yeah, quadrilateral also. It is a special type of quadrilateral. It has another name.
Trapezium.
Yeah, you are not wrong, but it has a special name. What's the name?
Trapezium.
Trapezium.
Trapezium, yes, trapezium. So already you know the formula to find the area of triangle, to find the area of trapezium.
Sir,
Already.
what is difference between trapezium and quadrilateral?
So this quadrilateral means a closed figure bounded by 4 line segments. This trapezium also quadrilateral. This trapezium also quadrilateral. In there are so many, you know, many. Even they are rectangle also, they are parallelogram also, trapezium also, you look kite also, rhombus, all of them are quadrilateral. They have a special name. Students means what? In students there are so many. Boys also, girls also, in boys also different names who having names, in girls also having different names and having different age. Huh? So student means what? Only friend. So many there. So in the same way, so inside the quadrilateral also there are different types of quadrilaterals. Are you clear? Are you getting
Yes,
it?
sir.
Okay. Quadrilateral भनेको एउटा 4 लाइन क्लोज गरेर बनाएको फिगरलाई ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगरलाई क्वाड्रिलेटरल भन्छ तर क्वाड्रिलेटरल भित्र त्यहाँ धेरै किसिमको क्वाड्रिलेटरहरू छ अलरेडी आई सेड प्यालोग्राम छ रेक्टेंगल छ स्क्वायर छ रोम्बस छ ट्रापेजियम छ काइट छ सो मेनी हामीले यहाँ युज नगरेको अरु पनि छन् ओके सो लाइक दिस सो बी क्लियर सो इट हैज स्पेशल नेम ओके लेट्स सी हियर अब सेकेन्डमा इन सेकेन्ड फिगर यु लुक हियर 2 नम्बर त्यहाँ बुकमै हो तर इन इज मिस्टेकन देयर बुकको क्वेशन ठीक छैन यु लुक हियर 2 नम्बरको सुरुको क्वेशन हेर्ने सुरुको क्वेशन 2 नम्बरको सुरुको क्वेशन हेर्ने सेम क्वेशन बट हियर इट शुड बी परपेन्डिकुलर त्यो भित्र भएको प्यालोग्राममा चाहिँ परपेन्डिकुलर हुनुपर्छ त्यहाँ इट शुड बी परपेन्डिकुलर दैट मिस्टेकन मेक द करेक्सन आर यु लिसनिङ मी or no?
Yes,
Huh?
sir. Yes, sir. Done.
That perpendicular is not given. त्यो हुनुपर्छ perpendicular हुनुपर्छ otherwise you cannot find. So बुकमा भएको सबै ठीक हुन्छ भन्ने छैन. So you try to identify the mistakes. If you can find out you can identify the mistakes in the book, really you are learning. You are learning. बुकमा भएको कुरा चाहिँ 100% सबै ठीक छ भन्नु खोज्यो भनेदेखि यो चाहिँ it's not correct. So find the missing book also. Okay, let's see here number 1. Number 1, how to solve it. Okay, using the formula. Very easy. Let's see here. Okay, solution. Let's see. Okay, here basic base. Here base B equal to height H equal to 4 centimeter. So here area of given triangle is equal to half base into height. Already you know. So you look half. Substitute the value of base and height. Substitute the value of base and height. 6 centimeter equal to 6 centimeter, height equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. After this, you look here. अब यहाँ 6 into 4, 24, 24 1 जा 24, 24 divided by 2 कति हुने भयो? Tell me. 12. You'll get the answer 12 centimeter square. Don't forget to write the unit also. Okay, look here, 12 centimeter square. Like this you'll get 12 centimeter. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Our next, let's see here next number. Okay, B number. Okay, here parallel sides. One is B1, another is B1 equal to 9 centimeter and B2 equal to 13 centimeter. Height equal to 10 centimeter. See, all these three things, necessary things are given here. So you look here, since the given figure is trapezium, we have to use the formula of trapezium to find the area of that given figure. Already you know what's the formula to find the area of trapezium? Remembering?
Half H B1 1 by B2.
Yeah.
Half H
Don't forget.
plus
Everyone, you look here. So here area of given trapezium equal to half h into sum of the parallel sides. So just substitute and simplify. Finally, how much we are getting? You look here. We get 9 by 2. How we are getting 9 by 2? Here 9 ones are 9, 2 is 2, and 9 plus 13, 22. Add them. Now cut. By 2, if you divide 22, it goes 11 times. 11 nines are how much? How much we are going to get?
11, 99.
99. We are going to get the answer 99. Okay. So you look here. 99. Okay, 99 centimeter square. So area of given trapezium equal to 99 centimeter square. Now let's see next one. Another one, 2 number. Okay, 2 number. Let's see here. 2 number. Okay, find the area of shaded region of the given figure. So I think I have to do it quickly, so we don't have more time. Here, length of the square. You look here, big figure is square. Why? You look, length and breadth 10 centimeter. Here, one of the angle is given here 90 degree. You look, 90 degree. And so it is clear it is, okay, square, big figure. And the inside, you look here, small figure, that is parallelogram. That is parallelogram. You look here in parallelogram, area of shaded region equal to area PQRS minus area of parallelogram. Okay. You look here, I am writing here base of parallelogram. This is small figure, 6 centimeter, and height of parallelogram is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Now let's see here after this. Okay, area of square equal to already you know square. Area of parallelogram equal to already you know b into s. Just substitute the values and simplify. Everyone, you look here. So here 10 centimeter whole square. Don't write 10 centimeter square. 10 centimeter whole square. Right? 10 centimeter whole square. Now 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, which is equal to 100 centimeter square, minus 6 into 3.5 is 21. So now after this, if you subtract 21 from 100, you'll get 79. 79 centimeter square. So you look here, answer. So you note down the assignment. You look, assignment exercise 7 page numbers. 2, number 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 10. Okay, time ले भ्यायो भने गरौँला होइन भनेदेखि okay, I know I'll take in Zoom the exercise. अब यो टाइपको एक्सरसाइज चाहिँ you have to do more and more.